This little cabin air filter, if not replaced on time, it will actually make you sick, and we will explain why. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a car. Most modern cars guys will have cabin air filters. Some cheaply made cars will not, but that was mostly older cars. And cabin air filter is super important for your health. I'm not talking about a car, it's important for your own health. Why? Because the air that gets in the cabin goes through that filter, and when it goes through the filter it gets clean, comes out on the other side inside the cabin, and you breathe clean air that doesn't have pollutants, allergens and things like that. But if you don't replace that filter on time, actually you're compromising your own health guys. You will have air that's not of good quality inside the cabin that can affect your sinuses, throat, it can affect your condition, how you feel, headaches, things like that. So we will explain how often you need to change it in this video today, and why most people do not know even about that, and why they don't change it. Now that video for us guys is mostly like trying to inform you, because people are unaware of that item. Many people will not be aware, and you need to really know about it. So next time, if you don't want to do it yourself, when you go for an oil change or something, you can ask for a new cabin air filter as well. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can guys save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So let us show you now guys. Cabin filters, they differ in two different ways, okay? Sometimes they're inside the cabin. Usually they will be behind the glove box. Often on a car you need to remove the glove box. That's where the blower motor fan for the heater and the AC is located, and you need to remove the glove box, or from underneath you'll be able to replace it. Sometimes it's actually accessible from outside on your vehicle. It really depends on the design. We have many videos on different cars how to replace cabin air filters, so it will teach you all about that. But how often you need to change that filter? Okay, let me show you. On this side it's dirty, okay, but not too terribly bad. But on this side guys, okay, that is just unbelievable. Okay, that's clouds of dust coming from that filter, and we just shook it for a while too. You can see, okay, all the contaminants here. It's just terrible. So according guys, okay, to the service manuals, that filter needs to be replaced every 12,000 miles or 1 year, whichever comes first. But if you are more prone to allergies, if you drive in city traffic or dirt roads, you will guys need to even change it more often. Okay, it really depends on the condition. This car has 40,000 miles. You can see what it looks like. Probably that's the original one. We've seen cars with 120, 150,000 miles. You can, when you pull that thing, it's poked all the way up, okay? And we've seen even rodents inside of those sometimes too. We've seen stuck up with leaves, because when you park under trees and things like that, sometimes leaves can make it, and they just start falling apart and creating mold that you breathe through your air conditioner guys. So definitely change it on time, or you will sacrifice it with your own health. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.